A chip is a small piece of semiconducting material, usually silicon, on which an integrated circuit is embedded. A typical chip is less than square inches and can contain millions of electric components called transistors. Embedded consists placed on many chips on electric boards are called printed circuit boards. There are different types of chips. The most common are three: DIP, SIP and PGB. Thank you.
Computers are the machine that perform tasks or calculations. Computer are the machine that perform tasks or calculation. It works through an interaction of hardware and software. Hardware refers to the part of computer that we can see or touch. Hardware refers to the part of computer that we can see or touch. The main piece of hardware is the tiny rectangular piece of chip which is inside a computer, that is called central processing unit, which is also known as CPU or microprocessors. It is also known as the brain of the computer, through which performs the calculations and the tasks. More hardware devices are computer, monitor, mouse, printer, etc. Software is a part of computer that tells the hardware what to do. A word processing program is a type of software which we use to type letters in our programming computer. Thank you. The first generation computers, 1940 to 1956. Vacuum tubes, second generation, 1956 to 1963. Transistors, third generation, 1963 to 1971. Integrated circuits, fourth generation, 1971 to present. Microprocessors, fifth generation, present to beyond. Artificial intelligence. And do you all know, now we use the fourth generation computer, 1971 to present, which are microprocessors.
What is modem? Modem is a short form for modulator, demodulator. A modem is a device that enables a computer to send data over, for example, telephone or cable lines. Information stored in a computer is stored digitally, whereas information is sent in form of analog waves. A modem can convert between these two forms. Who invented modem? Dennis Hayes and Dale Hetherington invented first PC modem in 1977, which comes separate from CPU. In 1996, Dr. Brent Townshend invented first computer modem, which comes inside the CPU. Working. Modems can be used over any means of sending data, from light emitting diodes to radio. These signals can be sent over telephone lines and demodulated on another modem at the receiver side to recover the digital data. Story behind invention. A modem was invented to create such a signal that can be sent easily and it can be decoded to reproduce the original digital data and also to connect to net. Later modifications. First modems were separate from computer and they were some slow. But in 1996, Dr. Brent Townshend invented such a modem that comes inside the CPU and they are fast. Thank you. This is the connection of a PC modem and this is a PC modem.
The history of Internet began with the development of electronic computers in 1950s. They started point-to-point communications between terminals. Then they started in packet researches. In 1981, when the Internet Protocol suite was conceived and standardized by World Wide Network, was known as Internet. In excess, the ARPANET developed the NFS net and then it developed the National Science Foundation Foundation and Computer Science Foundations. Then they started supercomputers, and then they added sites in US.
Sherja, do you know the early computers were so huge? They needed a team of people to operate, and now they are so small that we can even fit it in a pocket, in a lap, or even in a desk.
Yours is not in this, no? So say something about the abacus, show it and explain it.
Abacus is a Latin word which is originated from a Greek word abacon or abex or abacon, which means table or tablet, which in turn possibly originated from a Semitic word abacu, which means sand. It is an intelligence machine which is used to calculate higher numbers. The first abacus was invented in China in 300 BC. It was named Salamis tablet. The working of abacus. Abacus has 13 rows and one deck. This is a line, and here are the one deck and four decks. It is the modern abacus invented by Li Kai-chen in 1958. It is also used in present days. The story behind abacus. Abacus was